This bird almost never lands. Meet the common swift, one of the most extreme birds on Earth. These guys can stay in the air for up to 10 months straight, sleeping, eating, and even mating while flying. They travel over 500 miles a day, migrating between Europe and Africa without stopping. Their legs are so short, they can barely walk because they're literally built for the sky. If swifts touch the ground, taking off again can be a real struggle. Basically, this bird lives life on airplane mode.
Thanks for fucking watching.